You know what time it is. Good morning. Good morning. I am in a hurry. I have to take these braids out. I had it braided and banded as you saw in my previous videos. And if I have shampooed, braided, and banded, and I am coming in front of you, then you know what time it is. It's time for me to get my hair retightened. And I am going to let you see what my hair looks like in the top so that you can see what it looks like when it is completed. I am excited. I always love it when I'm getting my hair retightened. Now look at this, guys. To me, that's senseless, but it's also the dynamics of my hair. And my hair always comes through for me, so I can deal with it. I can deal with that. So I will be giving you an update on a few things. I will discuss with Kim my ends. As I stated in a previous video, I conditioned my hair and my ends have been loosened. And if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put a link to that video in the cards so you can take a look at what happened when I conditioned my hair. I'm going to see if she sees any difference in my locking and how much progress she thinks I'm making, whether or not I have any buildup, and that kind of thing. I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up and get these braids out for a beautiful braid out. And when you see me again, it will be after my retightening. My hair does feel different. It feels a little bit drier now that I've used the clarifying shampoo. The braids are a little bit more difficult to take loose, though it's not hard to take apart. It's just a little bit more difficult. It doesn't just come open as easily as it does after using my Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint. But I understand what the clarifying shampoo has done. It has stripped my hair and it has raised the cuticles, and so my locks now cling together more easily. And so I understand the difficulty in it coming loose. So I would advise everyone to at least clarify your hair every now and then. I would never use a clarifying shampoo every week on my Sisterlocks. And this braid out is just a result of using the clarifying shampoo on my hair after braiding and banding. So I'm actually taking out the initial braids before shampooing my hair right now in preparation for my retightening that makes me smile. So I will see you guys in a little bit after getting my hair retightened, or during the retightening process if Kim would allow me to use my camera as she works. I will talk to her about my conditioning as well as any changes that has happened with my hair since I last got my retightening. So let me do my 360 for you guys so you can see what my hair looks like. It is a mess, and I will be separating the roots on my way to my appointment because my husband will be driving today. My 360. I'm going to do that again. Have a good day. You were telling me about the raised cuticles and what conditioner does to the hair. That the conditioner, what we want to happen is to have our cuticles raised, right?
Yes.
And then the conditioner smooths it out.
Yes. Use conditioner to detangle, right?
Right.
So the conditioner smooths out the cuticle, thus making the hair less tangly. And that's the opposite of what we're doing, because locks are matted hair, and matted hair is just tangled hair. So if your hair is smooth and can't tangle, it can't lock. That's why white people have to tease their hair to make it lock, because their hair is smooth, it doesn't tangle as easily. Our hair will lock if you look at it cross-eyed.
I like the way you put that.
But white people's hair is always smooth, and you run your fingers through it, and it's all soft, and that's the nature of their hair. The nature of our hair, our cuticle is raised, which means it's like Velcro. It'll stick to each other and causes tangles.
Okay.
That's what locks are, matted hair.
All right. There we go. All right. So I'm turning this video on because I believe if I turn the video on, she will do this for 15 minutes. Because
I don't know about 15
I want
minutes.
proof for my subscribers how wonderful she is.
I don't know about 15 minutes. My shoulder probably won't last that long.
Oh, man. Look at it.
You like to detangle them better than you do the retightening.
Oh, girl, I love this. This is my favorite part. I know it's been retightened, but oh my goodness, this is like almost as good as a full body massage. Good morning. Good morning. I wanted you to see just how my hair looks right after I wake up, after my retightening. Look at that, guys. Do I have to do anything? Oh, yeah. Looks really good. Got a good report. No bunching. Yeah. Looks really good. And I just wanted to come back so you could see my hair the morning after my retightening. And my braid out is still hanging in there. There's a lot of body, especially since using the Suave Clarifying Shampoo. And I wanted to give this video an appropriate closing before I go out to work in the salon today and say to you that this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's good to me. His mercies are new every morning. And I just thank Him for it. For He is who He says He is. Have a great day.